Greetings. So, I wanted to understand atypical depression from the point of view of psychoanalysis. Okay. So, I used ChatGPT to understand this. And based on ChatGPT's response, I formulated my thoughts, wrote them down, and sent it to ChatGPT. So, as per ChatGPT, I have to certain degree oversimplified the concept, but I think it is oftentimes important to oversimplify things, especially when you are analyzing things and want to understand the effect of certain things. And interestingly, even if the information that I'm about to present uh, is oversimplified, this can at least be used as a memory hook. Okay, it can help you remember the classic signs and symptoms that are associated with atypical depression. Okay, so um, you know uh, a lot of people consider Freud to be not relevant uh, in the modern times, but it is interesting to note that Freud's theory of psychosexual development can help us understand the classic signs and symptoms that are associated with atypical depression. Okay, this is something quite remarkable because the concept of atypical depression was not around when Freud formulated his theory of stages of psychosexual development. Okay, so, Freud being Freud, it's no wonder that his theory can be used to explain something that is atypical or strange or unique. Okay, the word atypical roughly means something that is unique or strange. Okay, so in atypical depression, we see that the person sleeps a lot. In typical depression, a person generally finds it difficult to sleep. In typical depression, the person, you know, uh, is oftentimes anorexic. That is to say that the person does not want to eat. But in atypical depression, the person eats a lot. Okay, in atypical depression, the person uh, uh, is highly sensitive to rejection. So, if you look at the oral stage, what you would find is that when the baby breastfeeds, it is highly dependent on the mother. So, this explains the phenomenon of being sensitive to rejection. Furthermore, uh, during the stage of breastfeeding, the baby focuses on the mother's milk, and therefore, this explains the phenomenon of overeating seen in atypical depression. Furthermore, during the stage when the baby breastfeeds, the baby sleeps a lot. So, this explains the phenomenon of sleeping a lot seen in atypical depression. Furthermore, if you uh, sleep a lot and eat a lot, you are very likely to gain weight. So, the classic symptoms of atypical depression can be understood using regression to the oral stage. So, hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.